Are you looking for a safe and simple way to stay active? You have come to the right place. Welcome to your daily dose of movement. Today, we are going to boost your energy and mobility. And the best part is, we will do it all from the comfort of your chair. Staying active doesn't mean you need to run a marathon. It just means keeping your joints happy and your muscles moving. In the next 14 minutes, we will go through a full body routine. This routine is designed specifically for seniors and beginners. We will focus on flexibility, strength, and balance. All you need is a sturdy chair and a smile. Make sure your chair is stable and does not have wheels. Sit up tall and let's get ready to feel great. If you ever feel pain, please stop and rest. Always listen to your body first. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up. Section 1. Warm-up, neck and shoulders. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands gently on your thighs. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's start by releasing tension in the neck. Slowly turn your head to the right. Look over your shoulder as far as is comfortable. Hold it there for a moment. Now, slowly return to the center. Let's turn your head to the left side now. Feel the gentle stretch in the side of your neck. Bring your head back to the center. Let's do that one more time on each side. Turn to the right. Breathe in deeply. And back to center. Turn to the left. Relax your shoulders as you do this. And back to center. Now, let's wake up those shoulders. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and roll them back and down. Imagine you are putting your shoulder blades in your back pockets. Lift them up again and roll them back down. This helps correct our posture after sitting for long periods. Let's do 3 more big rolls. Up, back, and down. Keep breathing steadily. Up, back, and down. One last time. Up, back, and down. Great job. Section 2. Upper body mobility. Now we will move into some arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides. Make small circles forward with your hands. Imagine you are waxing a car. Keep your elbows straight but not locked. We are warming up the shoulder joints gently. Now, let's reverse the direction. Circle your arms backwards. Open up your chest as you circle back. This is excellent for improving your range of motion. Now, rest your arms down for a moment. Shake them out gently. Let's move to a side stretch. Raise your right arm up toward the ceiling. Reach as high as you can, like you are changing a light bulb. Lean gently over to the left side. Keep your hips firmly planted in the chair. Feel the stretch all the way down your side. Return to the center and lower your arm. Now lift your left arm up high. Reach for the sky. Lean gently to the right. This helps expand your rib cage and improves breathing. Back to center and lower your arm. Let's repeat that. Right arm up. Lean to the left. Breathe into that open side. Back to center. Left arm up. Lean to the right. And back to center. Wonderful. Section 3. Arm strength and coordination. Now let's build some strength in our arms. Clench your hands into loose fists. Bring your fists in front of your shoulders. We are going to do a seated overhead press. Push your arms straight up toward the ceiling and slowly lower them back to your shoulders. Let's do this together. Push up and lower down. Push up and lower down. Think about lifting a heavy box onto a high shelf. This strengthens your shoulders and triceps. Push up, lower down. Keep your tummy muscles tight to support your back. Let's do 4 more. Push up, lower down. 3 more. Breathe out as you push up. 2 more. You are doing great. Last one. Push up and lower all the way down. Shake out those arms. Now, let's work the biceps. Hold your arms down by your sides, palms facing forward. Bend your elbows and curl your hands towards your shoulders, and lower them slowly. This is a bicep curl. Curl up and lower down. Focus on controlling the movement. Don't let your arms just drop. Curl up, lower down. Imagine you are holding grocery bags. Strong arms make daily tasks much easier. Let's do 5 more. Curl up, lower down. 4 more. Keep your elbows tucked into your sides. 3 more. You should feel a little warmth in your arms now. 2 more. And last one. Curl up and lower down. Excellent work. Section 4, Core and Spine. Now we will focus on the core. Your core protects your lower back. Sit forward slightly in your chair. Place your hands lightly behind your ears. We are going to do a gentle twist. Rotate your upper body to the right. Keep your hips facing forward. Come back to the center. Now rotate to the left. And back to center. Twist right. Center. Twist left. Center. Imagine you are looking behind you to reverse a car. This helps keep your spine flexible. Keep your chest lifted high. Twist right. Center. Twist left. Center. Let's do 2 more on each side. Twist right. Center. Twist left. Center. Last set. Right. And left. Relax your arms down. Now we will do some seated tummy crunches. Sit on the edge of your seat. Lean back slightly, but don't touch the backrest. Tighten your stomach muscles. Hold for a second. And sit up tall. Lean back, engage your core, and sit up. This is a safe way to work your abdominals. Lean back and up. Make sure you are not straining your neck. The effort should come from your tummy. Lean back and up. Let's do 5 more. Lean back. Sit up tall. 4 more. Breathe out as you sit up. 3 more. You are building a strong foundation. 2 more. And last one. Lean back and sit up. Take a deep breath here. Section 5, Lower Body Strength. Let's move down to the legs. Our legs are our independence. We will start with marching in place. Lift your right knee up. Lower it down. Lift your left knee up. Lower it down. Get a rhythm going. Right knee. Left knee. Swing your arms gently if you can. Marching increases your heart rate safely. It boosts circulation in your legs. Lift those knees as high as is comfortable. Imagine you are walking through tall grass. Keep breathing. Step, 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 step. Let's keep this going for a few more seconds. It is great for your hip mobility too. Right, left, right, left, and rest. Good job. Now, we will strengthen the thighs. This exercise is called a leg extension. Sit up straight. Extend your right leg out until it is straight. Hold it there for a second. Squeeze your thigh muscle. Lower it back down. Now the left leg. Extend it straight out. Squeeze and lower. Right leg again. Extend, squeeze, lower, left leg, extend, squeeze, lower. This exercise helps support your knees. Strong thighs make it easier to stand up from a chair. Let's do 4 more on each side. Right leg extend and down. Left leg extend and down, right leg, and down, left leg, and down. 2 more sets. Feel the muscles working. Last set, right leg, and left leg. Fantastic. Now let's work the ankles. Flexible ankles improve your balance. Lift your right foot slightly off the floor. Draw circles with your big toe. Circle clockwise, round and round. Now circle counterclockwise. This helps prevent stiffness. Place that foot down. Lift your left foot. Circle clockwise. Make the circles as big as you can. And switch to counterclockwise. Place your foot down. Now, let's do some heel raises. Keep your toes on the floor. Lift both heels up high and lower them down. Lift heels up, lower down. This works your calf muscles. It helps with walking and balance. Up, down, up, down. Squeeze your calves at the top. Let's do 10 quick ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great effort. Section 6. Balance and coordination. We are going to try a seated balance challenge. Hold on to the side of your chair for support. Lift your right leg straight out. Now, try to lift your left arm up. Hold this position. Opposite arm and leg. This challenges your brain and your body. Lower them down. Now lift your left leg straight out and lift your right arm up. Hold it. Find your balance point. Lower down. Let's try that again. Right leg, left arm. Reach and extend. Lower. Left leg, right arm. Reach and extend. Lower. Let's do 4 more sets. Keep your core engaged to stay stable. Right leg, left arm. Down. Left leg, right arm. Down. Don't forget to breathe. Right leg, left arm. Down. Left leg, right arm. Down. Last one on each side. Make it your best one. Reach and release. Reach and release. Well done. Section 7. Cool down and stretch. We are now entering the cool down phase. It is important to relax the muscles we just worked. Let's stretch the back of the leg. Extend your right leg out, heel on the floor. Keep your leg straight. Sit tall and lean forward gently from your hips. Keep your back straight. You should feel a mild stretch in the back of your thigh. Hold it there. Breathe deeply. Imagine the tension melting away. Sit back up. Switch legs. Left leg out, heel on the floor. Sit tall and lean forward. Do not hunch your shoulders. Enjoy the stretch. Hold it. And sit back up. Now, let's stretch the chest. Open your arms wide to the sides. Palms facing forward. Pull your hands back slightly. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Look straight ahead. This counteracts all the slouching we do. Take a big breath into your chest. And release. Give yourself a big hug. Wrap your arms around your body. Tuck your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch in your upper back. Open your arms wide one more time. And give yourself a hug with the other arm on top. Tuck your chin. Breathe. And release. Let's finish with some deep breathing. Place your hands on your belly. Close your eyes if you like. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly push against your hands. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your belly sink back in. Inhale peace and energy. Exhale stress and tension. One more time. Deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Outro and call to action. Open your eyes gently. Thank you so much for joining me today. You have done something wonderful for your body and mind. Consistency is the key to healthy aging. Try to do these exercises every day. You will notice your strength and flexibility improving. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps our community grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gentle workouts. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a routine. Stay active, stay happy, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.